I'm about to reorganize my entire home using the KonMari method again. Our lives have changed, and in the last several months we've repurposed many rooms, and our kids are no longer in the baby stage. My daughter's in what used to be my office. My husband's office moved. My office moved again into my closet, and we've got workout stuff in the garage. When your life changes, your home should evolve to support it too. I'm taking you through the entire KonMari method step by step. But here's the thing that surprises almost everyone. The first step isn't organizing, it isn't buying containers, it isn't even decluttering. The first step is imagining. Before you touch a single item, ask yourself, what do I even want my home and my life to feel like? Write it down, make a vision board, tell someone, because when the process starts getting hard, and it will, that vision will be your compass. So right now I'm telling you my vision. This season of life with 2 toddlers is chaotic. So I want my home to feel calming. I don't want to spend evenings after the kids go to bed cleaning up and picking up toys, so I want it to be easy to reset for the entire family. I want my kids to grow up learning gratitude and respect, to be able to invite friends and family over without feeling stressed about it. So this is my vision, and over the next couple of weeks we'll see if everything in this home really supports it. That's where this all begins. Follow along because next we're starting with clothes.